With pollution at its peak in Bengaluru city, a student from the automobile engineering department has come up with a design called Soot Pollution Control Device. Ashik Kesvi from Dayanand Sagar College is behind this innovation device that can be fixed into chimneys at home and restaurants, diesel generator sets and even in public places. The device is built to collect and filter dust and pollutants and then release fresh air. Here is a report.
Actually, talking about soot pollution, basically soot pollution is one of the forms of air pollution which is very hazardous. Soot is the unburnt particulate matter. The size of the soot is so small that it is 1/20th the diameter of a single human hair. And currently there are many equipments to control air pollution, but as far as the soot pollution is concerned, there aren't many control device. So I thought of doing something about this, and I invented this soot pollution control device. In this, as you can see here, we have a fan that actually sucks in the polluted air, and the air filled with the smoke is made to interact with multiple fluid thin films, and during this interaction the separation of the soot particles from the gas takes place, and once the particles are collected we coagulate it and then we send it to the filtration section where the particulate matter are filtered. Then the clean thin film fluid is again pumped back to the same reservoir, and this cycle continues and the fresh air exits the device. There are basically two designs. First one is the individual installation device, and second one is the public installation device. The individual installation device could be installed in the places where single source is emitting the pollution, like our home chimneys, kitchen exhaust, diesel generators, our vehicles, etc. Also we can install this device in industries, thermal power plants, etc. And coming to the public installation device, we can actually install it in places where the pollution concentration is high. If we take Bangalore into consideration, areas like Majestic, our Silk Board Circle, our signals, junctions, in all these places we can install the public installation device, sir.
The college and the management is also supporting him by providing the necessary funding, and also to help him in setting up his own entrepreneurship. And then as a corporate social responsibility, we would like to design and develop one more and install in one of the junctions near our college, so that it will help in reducing the pollution.
This is not the first innovation to tackle the city's ever-growing pollution. Contributions by these young engineers and students will only reduce the burden on civic agencies like Karnataka State Pollution Control Board. We hope that many will be inspired by Ashik's perseverance and determination to take on air pollution. With video journalist Karthik Gowda, this is Ajay Joseph for Asianet Newsable.